Today we are going to look at the concept of span of control in the organization. First, let us consider the definition of span of control. Span of control refers to the number of subordinates or employees that report directly to a particular manager. Let us repeat this definition. It refers to the number of subordinates who report directly to a particular manager, and it is expressed in the form of a ratio. A ratio means there's one manager versus a number of subordinates. Let's consider the example. In the below picture, you have one manager that is responsible for a number of subordinates on the right. You can count about 10 to 12 subordinates over there. There are two types of span of control that exist within the organization. We are going to consider both of them in this video clip. The first one refers to the wide span of control. The second one is known as the narrow span of control. Let us look at the first one, wide span of control. In a wide span of control, you have one manager with many subordinates that report directly into him. You can see that illustrated in the organogram below. The wide span of control has various features, some of which include the following. First of all, a flat structure. Second, less management levels. Third, overextended managers. And lastly, lack of support and guidance for employees. In a narrow span of control, you have one manager and only a number of subordinates that report directly into him. You can see this illustrated in the organogram at the bottom. A narrow span of control also has a few unique features. The first one, it has a tall structure. Secondly, it has many management levels. And lastly, it leads to a long chain of command.